I'm back with the third part to this ceiling fan of doom with the biggest thing I'll be dropping on this, so I'm just a little bit worried that the fan itself may not survive. It's not heavy, but there's lots of metal bits in it, so I'm just, a little apprehensive. Once I see what it can do to heavier items, I'll be a little less worried about it. But with that being said, let's fire up and see if the ceiling fan of doom will stay together. I love just watching that thing spin up to killer speed. By the way, this thing here, manufacture date 1989. So it is old. Fire up the high-speed camera. And here we go. Oh, it's on. Wow! Holy shit! The fan survived! And it doesn't even look like it's in phase at all. It's still perfectly balanced. That is insane. Wow. I'm impressed. I mean, look, there's a piece over there, there's a piece there, there's most of it there, and look, the circuit board right beside it. Alright, well, I'll hop off the deck and take a look at this devastating damage. Man! Alright, we'll start over here. So there's your CD tray, what's left of it. There's a cover for this CD tray. Oh, this was not aluminum. I thought this was brushed aluminum. It's just plastic. Okay. Maybe that's why this thing shattered as much as it did. Piece there. I don't know what that is exactly. Those look like some of the play buttons and whatnot. The thing's still spinning down, so I'll wait. I don't touch that stuff till it stops. Have a look at the rest of it for now. So there's your main circuit board. Completely broke free of the chassis. There's a little weight to that. And amazingly, it actually looks like it's still intact. Well, no, maybe not completely. Right there, that's been busted. That's completely loose. But other than that, there's not too much damage to the board. So it came flying out of here. There's a little bit of damage right there. And a little bit of damage on the sides. Oh, that's what that plastic piece was I looked at a minute ago. So that. Just seeing if there's anything else out here. There's a little piece right there. Just plastic piece. There's the rest of your cover. Ooh, nice gash on that. That looks like it actually got underneath it a bit. I can kind of lift that up. That's kind of neat. Another piece of circuit board. Oh yeah, that ain't gonna work again. Damn. That display is fucked. Wow. It must have hit this directly on one of the blades. The high speed is going to be awesome. Destroyed right on the end. Another piece of the cover. I already think that's about it for that. Any damage to this? Something hit it right there. There's a a plasticky mark, the same color as the bows. Other than that, I see absolutely no damage. This thing is fucking awesome. Wow, I'm definitely gonna have to do some bigger and bigger things. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. Hit the dislike if you thought it sucked. Subscribe, and thanks for watching, everyone.